Alright guys, check it out. Wltoys 12428. Some huge wheels. Alright. It's been a while since I've driven this thing. Love this RC, guys. I even put some extra lights on it. You guys know how I do it. Alright, let's take it for a run. Alright, let's do it, guys. The bigger wheels doesn't flip as much. Looks a lot better with these wheels. Stock ones are kind of skinny. They look alright though, but they look a lot better. Alright guys, Wltoys 12428, big wheels. See you guys in the next video. Later.